Hey dude, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, I'm just getting my bio bottle all situated.
Bio bottle?
It was a project I did back in high school biology that I thought was really fun. It's basically two ecosystems situated on top of each other that kind of cycle through nutrients and gases to help keep it self sustaining.
High school biology? As in like 8 years ago?
High school biology wasn't eight. Oh, dang, it was 8 years ago, wasn't it? Man, I'm old.
Yeah, you are. It looks pretty rough. How'd you even make it?
Yeah, it does look pretty rough. Not all that great with cutting and crafting and stuff, but I'm really glad you asked how it's made. Flashback with me. To start off, you'll need a couple of 2-liter bottles, a piece of yarn or string, and some masking tape, all of which can typically be found around the house. Then you need to make a couple of cuts in the bottles. My cutting tool of choice is typically a katana. Unfortunately, mine is made out of foam and can't really cut anything. So instead, you can use a precision knife very carefully. After that, you'll want to drill a hole through the bottle cap. Swish and flick. Next, you want to put the string through the cap and the cap back on the bottle. This is going to be the connection point between your aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. Then you need to fill up the bottles with your different environments. For the aquatic portion, you can get water from a nearby stream or pond. Make sure to include some soil or mud and some plant life so that there is life growing in there. For the terrestrial part, prairie soil is really great to include because it's full of microbes that help life continue to thrive. I ate an apple so that I would have some apple seeds to put in the top. I dropped them in, watered them up, and made sure they were buried in the soil. After that, all you need to do is tape it all together and you're done.
Yeah, it doesn't sound too complicated. Pretty simple, actually.
I know, right? Once it's all said and done, it's self sustaining, super low maintenance. All I need to do is set it out in the sunlight, let it do its thing.
That sounds like a kind of plant even I can take care of.
The only time you might need to do anything with it is if whatever you plant in the top gets too big for the bottle. In that case, all you need to do is move it to another pot or make a bigger bio bottle.
Fair enough. Sounds like a pretty interesting project.
If you want to make one for yourself, I'd be happy to help you with it. You just need to buy and chug a couple of 2 liters, so use the last ones we had in the fridge.
You mean the 2 liters I was saving for game night tomorrow?
Oh, you were saving those. Well, in that case,
Ridiculous. Science is neat.